The survival of both creatures depends on getting through to the ground. For the bison, it will be a matter of brute strength. Their lightweight neighbor needs more precision. The bison have reached their goal, a mouthful of withered grass. And where the bison have dug, the fox now spots an opportunity. He listens carefully to pinpoint his target. A vole, small but 100 times more nutritious than a mouthful of dried grass. To get through the winter on these prairies, sometimes brain beats brawn.